Mr. President, this is Miss Sanders here. I'm here to speak to you privately for a second. What do you want? I told you no dubs in the Oval Office. Stand in the doorway. What do you need? What's up? We have a visitor here for you. You're to continue your community outreach and prison reform stuff, that you're doing. Oh, yes. That's Yesenia Martinez from the Bronx. Please let her in. Thank you, stupid. I told you I was supposed to be here, stupid. And I don't have to show no fucking ID. I'm fucking just saying that, stupid. Y'all niggas know who the fuck I am. I'm popping in these streets, yo. You heard me? All right? I got the Fashion Nova endorsement. I'm out here in the street. I got the flat tummy tea on deck. Okay? Don't fucking try to play me. Anyway, I'm here to speak to you directly, Mr. Donald Trumpito. You know what I'm saying? Even though I don't really bang with you like that, because you're a fucking cornball. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna have to need you to do me a favor, my nigga, for real. Because look. My man Mero's in Twitter jail right now, you know what I'm saying? And I need you to do the fucking presidential pardoning. You know what I'm saying? You got to pardon his back. You know what I'm saying? And pardon him and back into society because he did not do nothing wrong. He was unjustly accused by an Eminem stan, okay? All right, well, the whole thing with the Kim Kardashian thing has done wonders for the Negro community and the Latino Afros. So, fuck it. I'm going to call Jack right now. Have him pardon, what's his name? The kid Mero. I'm going to have him pardon him immediately. It's going to be huge. It's going to be a huge PR moment for me. Stand right here. Let's get a photo up. Do you mind if I grab you by the pussy? Nigga, don't fucking touch me, yo. Smack the shit out of you. Yo, son, this nigga touch, yo. Fuck out of here, fucking cornball. Fucking touch me, nigga. You stupid? Yo, I'm out of here. Yo, and if you don't pardon this nigga, I'm coming back next week. I'm fucking you up. Fuck out of here. Yo, this episode 113, stupid. Do the fucking job. You know who it is. The number one phlebotomist, number one slut tender in the fucking planet, nigga. It's Yesenia. Stupid. From East Tremont. Pull up and get your face splashed. Do the fucking drop before I drop you.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Bodega Boys in the building, episode 113. Episode 113, 113. If you add it together, that's 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. With 5 equal 5 alive. Johnny 5. It was a robot hit by lightning. It was turned on. It was trying to live, and what was killed.
Input.
No, episode, Johnny 5 alive.
Episode 13.
You know what I'm saying? MSNBC 13. Chris Hayes chopping niggas with machetes. Yo, coming to you live from Red Bull Studios at. You know what it is. I can't give out the address anymore. It's redacted. Y'all need to know. If you know, you know. Okay?
It's the Mecca.
And you know what it is. Your boy Desus Nice, a.k.a. Desus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Say Fat Like Tyrio, a.k.a. Chris Tess will sing the Eli Lippy, the Butcher Boozy, Slow Man, I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Orlando, Mero, Nova Centro, 34 in New York, Mikhail going off the Juve Boss, MC, Local Gunga P pulling up for 40 with your shorty, a.k.a. Don't talk to me in Uber Pool. I'm putting in my earbuds, man. I'm not even trying to talk to you. I'm going to hear that little doink and know I connected, and then, it's quiet for you. The original, my plus one got plus ones. Don't make a fuss, son. Just let me in. At this point, I don't even need plus ones. I'm coming in off the strength of my pretty face. Number one show in late night, baby. Step to the side. I'm coming through with 4 people. And yes, that is Little Tay.
Fuck the Smith & Wesson. We keep a big chopper on us on the streets. Beach.
That's right. I'm part of Little Tay now.
Oh my God.
Little racist Asian girl. I'm sorry.
Yo,
I don't see color.
Yo.
Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine, avocado toast, young pod, the ghost of Mufasa, young Chakuni without the coonery, a.k.a. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, Gail okay.
Wow,
watch, you see what I did this weekend to the Mets? Public execution.
Yeah.
Vice K. Maxizaka, 3-4 Jones, Dice, S. Machina.
Yeah.
J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute. Leonardo Trapio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blurry. DJ Woolite, a.k.a. you're listening to Wash It FM. Up next, we got 15 hours of Rod Stewart. Young hearts be free tonight.
Wow.
The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain the Human Meme, word the jaw, Young Aaron, racist provocateur, Henrik Budkos, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin. The human word is melting in your mouth. Yes, it's old people candy. Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, more say it with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cool.
Yo.
Eat cucumber, not dog piss. Yo. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it, the Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. Pardon. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Cashin' Nova. Use the code Desus20 to save 20% off men's Fashion Nova. That's not a real code. William A. Cents, 5, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change, big money one. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mississauga, catch me at square one top left. You know, shout out to Brompton. True Rizzuto, holy cow. Mrs. South Park, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Hooray! It's me behind the baking soda. David Urban. These expensive. Blood shoes. What? Smokeem Noah, Andrew Coonanen, aka the Junior Energy God Junior.
Oh, yeah, sit down, but sit down, on it.
Call me Petco, because I got your bitch on freeze. Mr. Shopping at Street Easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me, the black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka your problematic bae. Why pay for a babysitter? Just leave them watching Animal Planet alone with mattress.
Hello.
Mwah.
Parenting strategies. Yo, it's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct 5, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalid, a.k.a. Skirt Motor, hop the fucking curve, hit your dog, nigga, keep it moving, I don't give a fuck.
Does anyone get his license plate?
A.k.a. I don't fuck you, baby, I fuck you, man, my nigga. A.k.a. check the guest list again, I'm on it right there, right next to X-Pac, nigga.
Why don't either you or Mero, why don't you guys get Victor to put you guys on the guest list? You coming in all this, my plus one guy, just RSVP. What the fuck?
Nah, because I gotta do this shit by email, nigga, I don't even check my email, fuck out of here.
The best part, Victor comes like 10 minutes later, he's like, I didn't RSVP either.
But check it again, nigga, because my name is on there right next to X-Pac, nigga. Oh, no hats? Oh, fuck you, nigga. Suck it. Degeneration! You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. CC Dab, Bathia, A.K.A. I just bought the public library and privatized it so my kids' reading levels will be much higher than your dumbass kids because I'm the fucking dad of the year. A.K.A. Ben Smack, be on boy. A.K.A. Dick in your baby, Tumbo. That pussy belong to me now. This pussy no belong to you. It's mine now, okay? This lady cave is mine. It belongs to me. I have sublet it. A.K.A. bottles antenna so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the Accord. And the airbags don't even work, nigga. I break my face on kid. A.K.A. the Dominican Donna Dykeman Daddy. A.K.A. swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it, motherfucker. Put the plastic on the bag on shit. You know what I'm saying? You embarrassing us both right now. You know who the fuck I am, man. I'm in here with sunglasses on. It's nighttime. I'm on TV. Suck my dick. A.K.A. Romeo Santos. So zany. Let me black out. A.K.A. Lighten that dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got five. And if you don't got weed in the shot, we gonna have a problem. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta put the gospel choir behind it. Eminem coming through. Need that weed in the shot.
A.K.A. Tom Brady, your girl got my balls inflated. A.K.A. Phil Ass Tyson, I'm gonna explore your cosmos mind, especially the Milky Way of discharge. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Frino Messi MVP Gelato. A.K.A. Zeniel Betting Field. Now you gotta get some sticks. A.K.A. Joe Hookah. I dare you.
Dares you
to smoke with me.
Try to smoke
at Mama Sushi.
Popular spot,
you know what I'm saying? I'm out there, you know what I'm saying, doing donuts in a minivan, nigga escaping, evading the law.
Did anyone get his license plate? That's our new model. Did anyone get his license plate? Skirt.
A.K.A. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I'll replace your sternum with an off-white sternum. Now you're exactly the same, except you have a ridiculous zip tie coming out of your chest. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. open your medicine cabinet, because I'm the Zen man. A.K.A. Rico Sabrosa, A.K.A. Baby Newport. I got my shit due for 5 because they from North Carolina, nigga. I made the trip. A.K.A. Nino Brash with the cut it down. A.K.A. live from Aiden Grocery on Burnside Avenue. The East Stream on CVB doing all his greatest hits. Like, I want to be the one your DD is sucking. And Dope Sick Love, come back to me. A.K.A. You know what I'm saying? From across the pond, mate. You know what I'm saying? Rock stars are on rare supply these days. I'm here. It's the plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Shirtless hat, La Marina smashing that Brugal. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. pulling up from 40, it's your boy, Bormello's Anthony.
4-3.
Wow, he's falling asleep at half court. Unbelievable strategy. If you see me at Target, nigga, chugging unpaid Gatorades with Michael Jordan, 4 a.m. card game eyes, mind your fucking business. Approach me like a first-time mammal, nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I sold fake leans to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off toilet bowl cleaner and Fago talking about, I'm in the coop. I'm so young, my mom could probably fuck Snoop. You know what I'm saying? When he was on tour, nigga. A.K.A. You know what I'm saying? Hasan, coño, tírame la pista. ¿Qué lo que? Dame el look que estamos oscuros. Llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño, el rey de Bronx, el don de Damon. Más frío que un equimalito. Más duro que el bate de Miguel Andujar. This night, catch me joseando frente al taller, enfrente del taller Peralta. Dime, a ver, ponme 20 para la juca o rueda como un monociclo, maldita rana. Shout out a la gente dura, Pío, Broquete, Hasan. Dímelo, ¿qué lo que? Prende, tao. We at Locksmith, nigga, turn the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? By the time this shit drop, Hasan will have celebrated his birthday anniversary, and the shit will have been very, 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 very fucking lit. It might have been some titties in there. You know what I'm saying? Check the fucking photos. I don't want to make shit hot.
No photos.
I don't want to make shit hot.
No photos.
When you come into the building,
why
put your phone in the bowl.
Don't take no photos at parties, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Take a memory inside your head, brother.
Nigga.
Just make, what are you, the feds?
Put that shit in your spank bank.
Coming out with the telescopic lens.
Fuck
Nobody need to know that. What are you, 7 days, 7 nights? Huh? Or nightclubs, nigga?
Siete noches for all my fucking...
Don't be like
choppies.
that. Don't be like that. You can't be doing shit like that. Nah, man.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. So we back. Here's your art. You guys are like, where's the art? We're like, here's your fucking art.
Here's your art.
We're trying to schedule it. We know, shout out to San Francisco. We just came back from the Bay. Bay area. Shout out to the Bay, home of a lot of homeless people and scooters.
Yes. And
a lot of
feces.
Scooters and feces. A lot of feces. It's weird because like you'll be in front of a $3,000 one-bedroom co-op.
Yep.
And there'll just be a person on the floor shooting up in the middle of the fucking day and people just walking around it.
Yeah, while taking a shit.
And you can't touch the scooters because they have hepatitis A on the handles from people wiping doodle on it.
You know what I'm saying?
Other than that, it's a cool city.
It's pretty chill.
Pretty chill, you know what I'm saying? Everything is locked up in the Rite Aid, which is weird. Their Rite Aid, everything is more locked up than the fucking Rite Aids at the Bronx.
San Francisco's
I was able
dirty,
to snub my nose at them like, tisk. How do you guys have single toothpaste, single toothbrushes?
I don't
you gotta get the manager to unlock. What type of life y'all living?
If San Francisco was a person, it would be Post Malone.
Wow. Wow.
This shit is dusty, but it got money.
Wow. That's that is very apropos, as they say. Shout out to Clusterfest. We came through. We bodied that shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out whoever stocked the green room. They kept it through with the nice smokes, and then they made the Cosmic Era 25 non-alcoholic bets.
Why would you do that?
Why don't you just piss in my mouth?
Why?
Disgusting. Come on.
What is the whole point of beer without alcohol? Does it taste different? Like I've never put a non-alcoholic beer to my lips.
Think about like a light beer, but just make it super light, like that.
So
it's like water. Michael Anthony calling Julio, and Julio just gives him a straight bag of baby powder. It ain't the same. You just going through the motion.
Oh, my fucking veins are dry now, bro. They smell really fresh, but I'm not high, bro. What the fuck?
Michael Anthony, you smell like you're two again.
No, what the fuck?
Oh, my sweet baby's back.
Yeah, get out of here. I need that sweet lady.
Let me
not the sweet baby.
Let me breastfeed you again.
Your tits got heroin in them? You fucking cunt.
Michael Anthony. Coming to Netflix. It's the story of a band. And constant question. Because listen, we all call it Julio.
Yeah,
all of us call it Julio. You know what I'm saying?
Everybody has their Julio.
That's our deep saying for the day. When we go do a commencement address, we be like, yo, you too can find your Julio. Some of y'all Julio is a woman. Some of y'all Julio is drugs. But at the end of the day, perhapsly and most aspirationally, what you need to do is be your own boss. Can I talk to you about residual income? Niggas drag me off the stage. Please use my discount code. Desus220. Save 20% off fashion over for that.
I just jump on stage with a tan jacket like, do you want to live my lifestyle, but you never seen a brick, never seen a crack house? You know what I'm saying? Jump on the money train. Wish you were here with the stupid sign. Like the fucking little foldy shit.
It's like a Bronx community college. Someone's breastfeeding a kid in the front row. Like, yo, what the fuck?
Yo, I'm like, I read at a third grade level, and I know that shit is mad dumb.
Wow, you slandering Bronx Community College.
No, that's my alma mater. Shout out to BCC.
It's at third grade level. Come on, man. Come on, the Bronx. We do good in the Bronx. We making it happen.
We do good. My GPA was up there, and I went to class like twice a week.
See? Did you hear the new Kanye album? Actually, it's not new anymore because by the time this comes out, it'll be like 2 weeks.
Because my mother told me something very important early in life. There's a difference between hearing and listening. I heard the Kanye album. I didn't listen to the Kanye album because that shit was straight. That shit was trash. I was like, yo, he was like, yo, Daytona, we could either make a full album that's like 60 minutes long, or I could just chop the shit in half, steal the worst beats from Daytona, and just make my own album and just do scoopity whoop doop. I like your titties because it proves that I can focus on two things at the same time.
I mean, if you
damn,
if you off that Puerto Rico, you know what I'm saying? And
yeah, and of course the dick flute solos immediately. There's the symphony of dick flute solos erupted. Like
it's sad.
He's a genius. He's so subversive.
It's sad.
You know what I'm saying? He said Kim's the fucking trumpito to fucking get him. Shout out to Alice Johnson for getting parted. You know what I'm saying? Be with your fam.
Yeah.
Kim was up there with her fake geeks. You know what I'm saying? Trying to make shit happen.
Oh, I thought you could say Alice Johnson had fake geeks. I was like, you're wild disrespectful.
Nah. You can't,
I was like, how you get your butt done in prison?
Yo, shit.
I mean, niggas got phones in jail.
You know what I'm saying?
Niggas can do something.
You get your butt done in jail?
Niggas just do that shit with a couple noodle soups.
Listen, and when I say
niggas fill your cheeks with fucking ketchup and shit.
And when I say get your butt done in jail, I mean like get your butt enhanced in jail.
I mean, niggas,
you know
either way. Niggas in the shower like,
either way, nigga.
Nigga look the back of your earlobe like, yo, C.O. Johnson, take 10 minutes off.
You know what I'm
like, no. Excuse me, C.O., get back here.
Yeah. No.
You haven't been relieved yet.
Gord.
C.O. Yo, C.O. Niggas been trying you in Twitter jail and shit. Niggas just like, you gotta put the fucking razor in your foreskin.
Yo, I got the razor in the foreskin. I got my jumpsuit down around my waist, tied down. You know what I'm saying? I got the chest out. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the yard with the spork. Like, yo, niggas try me.
You know what I'm
saying? Like, I
Jack's the warden and shit.
You know what I'm saying? He's like, hey, man, we're trying to be all inclusive and like, have free speech and everything, except for Eminem stands. Eminem stands is where I draw the line. If you get into an altercation with the Eminem stand, then you must be banned for a week.
Damn.
I was like, damn, nigga, you mad weak, B. Fuck, Instagram will never do me like this, nigga. And I show my titties on Instagram several times. Fuck out of here.
Right?
You know what I'm saying?
Nobody needs that. Nobody needs that visual.
But on a somber note, R.I.P. to the god, Anthony Bourdain.
Yeah.
Who gave so much to the fucking culinary world, the world of television, basically invented a genre that mad niggas are biting now. You know what I'm saying? So, sleep in peace, my nigga. You will be missed. You know what I'm saying?
Shout to God.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Just real out there. You know what I'm saying? We're all riding our own horses. You don't know what people's going through.
That's right, B. You might think a nigga rich and shit and doing real good and shit, but the niggas be stressed. You know what I'm saying? So if, you know what I'm saying, if you know somebody and they like, yo, B, I'm stressed out, B, like, I don't know what to do, sit down with them for a second. Be like, yo, what's up, homie? Talk to me, you know what I'm saying? I'll be your sounding board. You know what I'm saying? And that was the PSA for today.
Thank you.
Reach out.
That was the Mero PSA for the day.
Reach out. Help.
You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
We're all riding our own horses. You know what it is. And you got to keep it moving, man.
Yeah,
you gotta keep eating good foods and keep it moving around the world.
I felt bad, and then I was just like, damn, B. I was like, damn. How old is he, 60?
61.
Damn. Yeah, damn. RP my nigga Uncle Les. Yo, he died at 61 too. That shit's terrible. Man, listen, man. NK Spade died too? Damn, motherfucker. Yeah. God damn.
It's real out there.
It's real out there, man. Yo, hold your head, B.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Don't murder
yourself. You gotta get a little mirth, a little light in your life.
You know
and hopefully y'all enjoyed our Chicago show because by the time you heard this, it will be after our Chicago show.
That's
we came through, we bodied it, we made jokes about how Chicago pizza's not real pizza. That's just lasagna.
Yeah.
It's just lasagna for gangbangers.
It's cheese
That's
pie.
all it is.
It's fucking...
How the Navy Pier is mad whack, but y'all know that.
You know what I'm saying?
How fucking... What else? What else is... The Taste of Chicago used to be a good look, and now it's just a place where gangs just ruin shit. You just trying to enjoy a little fried gator.
Yeah.
While niggas like fresh... Niggas fry up some halibut in 90-degree weather.
That's right. Every white person there looks like the cast of Parks and Recreation.
Yo, shout out to the Wild Hunteds. We out there on my GDs and my BKs.
Folk Nation.
You know what I'm saying? Can't come with your hat broke off to the left because niggas gonna check you. All my niggas at Harold's. All my niggas out there at Navy Pier. You know, white people buying hot dogs get cursed out by black people. You're called motherfucker.
You know what I'm saying? If you how Angel Dust juking in the street right now listening to this, enjoy it.
Get crunk.
You know what I'm saying? Turn up.
Y'all put y'all garbage in alleys because y'all think y'all better than people.
Oh, word?
The same alleys y'all get murdered in. Yeah. Yo, shout out to the Southside. Those alleys be dark as shit.
Yeah, and they're terrifying.
That shit, every time you're in, like, you either feel like you're in, like, a Showtime show or a Netflix show. You just know you're gonna die though.
Yeah, man.
And not even on no funny shit about the murder rate. It's just like the shit. Like niggas just be crisscrossing through alleys. I'm like, nigga, not me,
nigga.
Nigga, I walk in the street at night.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
If the shit don't say Avenue, I'm not walking down there at night in Chicago.
And niggas be like, yo, Jesus, you pussy, you walking the street at night? I'm not even walking the street because of niggas. I'm walking the street because of raccoons, nigga.
That's right.
Skunks.
Some niggas is wild.
A skunk will have you under pressure. You know a Bronx skunk?
Fam.
First of all the skunks in the Bronx have Tracy Morgan's voice. Some nigga come through with a do-rag and a chain and shit.
Yo, B, yo, fam. Yo, listen, man. If you don't back the fuck up, I'm going to spray you with my asshole.
I be like,
you know
yo, relax.
Nah. My asshole's open and activated, my nigga. I'm ready to spray. I'm ready to let this shit off.
And they got the little paw with the claws kind of pressing you, but not really pressing you. Like, yo, chill. Ow, like how it hurts.
They got a Newport hanging out his mouth.
Like, yo, what's up? Good, niggas tap your pockets.
You good, fam?
I'm like, yo, you know what? You just reinforcing stereotypes about raccoons. You know that? You feel good?
He's like, yo, he's like, yo, listen, man, I'm biracial.
Nigga spread his fur, got the fucking 9. How you want to do this?
You know what I'm saying?
I'm saying one of us gonna eat garbage tonight. Who's gonna be?
You know what I'm saying? You want to get clapped or sprayed, nigga? What's up?
Nigga get distracted, go fucking pick up a head of lettuce in the gutter. Nigga like, nigga run off with 2 feet. I'm like, this is adorable.
Oh, it's so whimsical.
Oh,
I gotta
man.
bathe with vinegar for 10 weeks. Yo, I ran over a chipmunk the other day, B. R.I.P. to that chipmunk. I felt mad bad.
Damn.
Nigga ran right into the middle of the highway, and I was honking at him and shit, but I was going too fast and shit, and I was just like, move, nigga, move. I don't want to kill you, Chip or Dale, whichever one you are.
Damn, that's sad.
You caught an L.
That's sad because now it's just like fucking Simon and Theodore.
Like,
they in the fucking studio. And they just fucking chain smoking. Them niggas' eyes is red and shit. Like,
all right, who gonna
how are we gonna do it? How are we gonna do it this show?
How are we gonna do it? Alvin was our bread and butter. Alvin.
Fucking dead.
Alvin was our Beyonce.
You know what
Oh my god.
Oh my god, they're fucking dead. Dave, give me some fucking heroin. Christmas time. Get the fuck. Oh, the fucking voices. Christmas time is here. Oh, I miss my nigga.
I miss my dogs. They just get Takashi to replace him and shit.
Christmas time
is here on the regular. Christmas time is here on the regular.
That's how Christmas song goes. What the fuck is that?
Giffy got the stiffy on.
We're not blacks. What the fuck is going on? I would watch a Takashi 6ix9ine
Alvin and the Chipmunks mashup.
It's just the Chipmunks. They got that animated Mero like swerving. Just runs over Alvin. White lady voice in the back is like, anyone guys like to play? We're making that a thing.
Get the plate.
All right. Now listen.
Don't get jokes to show his mall, B.
Let me tell you something right now.
Non sequitur.
Let me tell you something right now. The king of sports is back.
Oh,
and he's got a hot take for y'all. Y'all ready for this?
You ready? Yeah, I'm ready for this.
Who else, other than those two? I would figure you put those two at the top. Who else of the current crop of NBA players are great players? There isn't one.
There's one.
That's interesting because you would say Curry's a great shooter, but not a great player.
No, Curry's not a great player. No, not even close. Durant's is a great scorer. I'm not even sure Durant's a great player.
Drop the bomb! Drop the bomb!
Fuego tank!
Wow!
Fuego down. The studio's on fire. Yo, Hasan had to get the fucking fire extinguisher. Nigga, the studio's on flames. Yo, chill. Yo, protect Victor's hair.
Yo, move my MacBook. The sprinklers came on. Hot take.
The funny shit about that whole clip is that, like, literally 10 seconds after he said that, he's like, Kevin Durant, I think, is the second best player in the league after LeBron.
Well,
he's not one of the greatest. He's not a great player.
What I love about Mike Francesa, Mike Francesa describes basketball games as if he just reads like Wikipedia articles about the games. Like he don't watch the shit.
No, not at all.
This shit is like, they played at the stadium that had a capacity of 13,000 people, it's at an elevation of 500 feet with 400 parking spaces in the lot. So I feel that will help the LeBron and friends in Game 4.
That's true. That's absolutely true. Little tidbit, they broke ground on the arena in 1979. I bet you didn't know that. Also, LeBron is the greatest of all time, even though he's moving on. But hey,
here's the thing. Here's a key point going into Game 4. The stadium they're playing in, faces north.
Yeah.
Same direction as where? Mecca. They're losing.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it. They're gonna take their loss and they're gonna keep moving. You know what it is? I don't know what it is. Give me another fucking Diet Coke.
Hey, I'm Mike. Long time listener here. First time, long time. How you doing? My name is Dave from Parsippany. I have a trade option for you. Straight up. I was thinking Muhammad the Prophet, Aaron Judge. Straight up. I'll hang up and listen.
All right. First of all, Muhammad the Prophet.
Problematic light is on. Problematic light is on. Problematic light is on.
I mean, Aaron Judge. It's a tough call. It's a tough call there because Muhammad the Prophet. I haven't really seen him. You know, I haven't seen him in BP or in spring training, so I can't make that call right now. That's a question for midseason. Next caller.
Oh man, jeez.
Yeah,
Mike Francesco.
Is Ramadan over?
Is who?
Is Ramadan over?
Ramadan? I believe so.
Shout out to all my, you know what I'm saying, all my Islamics, you know what I'm saying, all my Muslims, you know what I'm saying, to quote Charlamagne, all my Muslims, you know what I'm saying, celebrating Ramadan, you know what I'm saying, enjoy yourself, you know what I mean, keep your deen, stay on your deen, you feel me? Yeah,
and no, still going, ends the Thursday, June 14th.
God
shout out to all my Ramadanians.
Yo, shout out to y'all.
That's how Fox News would call them. Yeah, shout out to all my Ramadanians.
Ramadanians. They think Trump probably thinks that shit is a country. He's like, I want to speak to the ambassador of Ramadan.
He's like,
immediately.
He's like, that's a new dance. That's what all the kids are doing. It's that
Ramadan.
dance. That dance with the thing. Do the Ramadan, kick your leg in the leg.
Elephant Man told me on my trip to Jamaica recently. It's playing golf.
I've seen a fast before, but I've never seen a fast like this. Just mad food and shit. People just like salivating over it. Like,
oh, damn, let me get that lemon water.
Shout out to black people in their lemon water. Never get enough. Asking for it at restaurants.
Yo, that shit is like...
It's unhygienic. People don't wash lemons because listen, you're not supposed to wash a lemon.
Yo, have you ever been in the kitchen of a restaurant? The lemons are just in like a tub, just sitting there.
I mean, that's what you got to do. When I used to work front of the house, you know what I'm saying? You working as a bartender. I remember I used to go across the street, buy the lemons, and just cut them up. I got time to wash them, nigga. Busy. Why? What you need lemons for? What you making lemonade, nigga?
Come on.
Order lemonade then.
Yeah.
You get one lemon wedge on the corner. You drop that shit. You iced out.
Shout out to everybody that squeezes the lemon and then drops the lemon in their drink.
Yeah.
You're filthy.
Because you're like, oh, the alcohol will kill it.
Yeah.
In theory, it will. But I mean, unless it's Novo.
You know what I'm saying?
Novo? What was that shit?
Yeah.
That pink shit that was terrible?
Yeah, Novo. The T-Pan was on that for a minute.
Oh, yeah.
And niggas like, I'm going to buy you a drink.
So many drinks that never took off. We need to attach ourselves to a really shitty beverage.
Yeah.
We need to make like...
what was it? There was Sizzler.
We need to make a mixture. We can mix Brugal and Ray and Nephew.
Ooh. Call that shit jail.
Call that shit Bookings Brew.
Jail juice.
Oh, shit. Jail juice. Call that shit Lock In. Have a party for that. La Marina niggas just falling in the water and dying.
Die, nigga. They didn't even...
Shout out to everyone that survived pizzas who are at La Marina.
Yo.
Those rocks is kind of jagged.
Yo,
y'all realize what
real.
I'm talking about now.
Yo, shorty, if you wearing the fucking the rainbow slippers that you got, my nigga, they're not built for them rocks. You know what I'm saying? You might have to go get them petty immediately after, like emergency petty.
Like security's right there. They're there to stop fights. They're not really there to catch you out the water. All right, niggas signed up for land duty. They not really trying to get wet.
Nah. They
Don't
signed
fall
up for
into the
two
Hudson,
things:
Mom.
land duty and putting out hookah fires.
Yeah,
that's it. They ain't doing nothing else. But shout out to Pizza Zoo once again. Shout out to Nico and the gang. You know what I'm saying?
Every time they have pizzas, we be traveling and shit.
That's the crazy shit, bro. I be like, yo, we pulling up, and then it's like, oh, you got a tour in San Francisco. Oh.
I mean, you know, I'm not mad about that tour money, though.
Yeah, I'm saying niggas
out here. Ain't no money like tour money.
That's right. Things get into that bag.
Also, tour is fun. You know what I'm saying? You get to talk to different crowds. Crowds is getting bigger,
you know what I'm
more
saying?
aggressive. People is only. We got to get to the point where people are so outraged at the price ticket point that we have to put chicken wire across the front of the stage and niggas just throwing bottles. Victor guys performing in redneck bars and shit. There's a wild big Confederate flag behind us.
I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna still get in front and be like, fuck security. Our fans want to see us rock out.
Let's go. Opening tonight on Nigger Night is Desus and Mero. Like,
it's like gonna play a banjo. We just dancing and shit.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
I'm like, who voted for Trump though? Yeah! I'm like, fuck you! Man, keep flinching from the fucking glass breaking and shit. Like, we'll get used to this.
Yo. Oh, man. It's what is today? Today is Friday, June 8th, and we still have not gotten a Drake response. We are being told that it is because Jay Prince has told him to not respond.
Yeah, that's done. That's
saying?
that's over and done. Pusha T won that. Listen, like I said, in 2014, no one has ever challenged Pusha T lyrically. At one, Pusha T surgically destroyed Drake by pointing out that he has a child. Listen, Matt, you dissing niggas. He's like, yo, your sneakers is whack. Your sneakers. Your
You got a secret baby, nigga.
Wow. Wow.
You got a Pinot bitch name. You got a Pinot bitch pregnant
baby from a Pinot chick.
Yo.
No shade to Pinot chicks, because you know what I'm saying? Pinot chicks is out here.
They regular people.
It's not even, and she's not even like a Pinot chick. She's just like fucking
model?
cam shit. So that's not even. It's just I think the whole thing about he has a secret baby, and then it's just like it points to like problems in his marriage, his parents' marriage and shit. Like what's going on there? It was like a conversation from Pusha T.
Damn, Clarence's parents didn't really have a good marriage. You know what I'm saying? Everybody in the 313. But yeah, nah, like damn, bro, that was wild. But at the end of the day, this thing's gonna drop Scorpion. Everybody's gonna forget all about this shit.
I mean, he's a little. His brand is a little tarnished. I mean, you could have a fresh Tesla, but if you got the wild dent in the rear fender, niggas gonna look at you like, oh,
I know the like, yo, real hip hop niggas are gonna be like, yo, he took an L, yo, ha 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 ha. But like every 20-year-old from here to Timbuktu is gonna be gyrating to whatever he puts out this summer.
Yeah,
and I'm not gonna front. I'm looking forward to it, to being shoeless at La Marina. You know what I'm saying? Catching the dub to whatever he puts out.
I mean, let's go.
You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Hopefully he comes out soon. If he doesn't, you know.
What's the release date? He's giving niggas jackets. Yo, Drake, why we ain't get jackets, my G?
Kind of late for a jacket now. It's like June. You gonna walk around with a leather jacket?
I'll do it. I'll give a fuck with no shirt on some little pump shit.
Now after
jacket with no shirt.
He has to do a press tour. Like he gotta come on the show or something. Like gotta explain himself because you can't be like, yo, Jay Prince said I can't respond. Like nah, nigga. That's like, yo, my mom said I can't fight you. Like nah, nigga. You gotta have a better reason for that shit.
Yeah. But although Jay Prince, man, like we sat next to that man, and that dude's aura is just like
true.
Remember God and fucking In Too Deep?
Yeah.
He has that kind of aura, like, yo.
Oh, yeah, you took it back.
Yeah, he got that fucking Frank White aura.
Frank White?
Yo, let me not fuck with this dude, B.
King of New York.
You know what I'm saying? That was a great movie. Shout out to Christopher Walken. Is he still alive?
Yeah, Christopher Walken still
kicking
it. Still kicking it out here.
Yo, come through.
Is he doing no, that's Samuel L. Jackson. What's that? Those commercials he does? Capital One? Christopher Walken should do some.
You know what I'm saying?
Christopher Walken, if you want some financial advice, let me holler at you.
You know what I'm saying?
Go make some get some residual income. Help your shit out.
Let's do King of New York Part 2. My nigga was good.
They never made that? Wow. I'm sure they made like a direct-to-DVD version of that. That was pretty shitty.
That didn't star anybody that was in the original cast.
Yeah.
Like how they did Carlito's Way Part 2 with nobody from Carlito's Way. I don't even think Pachanga was in that shit. That nigga's in everything. That nigga's in a Tide commercial. And he wasn't in the fucking Carlito's Way Part 2.
Oh, Carlito's Way. Carlito gotta go back to school and shit.
Yeah,
so it's basically Legally Blonde, but with like a Spanish person.
Oh, you know what I'm saying? I'm going back to school to get my GED.
As if. Stop trying to make fetch happen, Carlito.
Niggas in the glass and shit like, here come the test!
Oh, man.
Shout out to Al Pacino, though. He's out here.
Al Pacino, yeah, we saw him in real life, and I was underwhelmed.
He's mad little.
He's tiny.
He's mad little.
Pocket size.
And like, kind of like, like gnomish.
Yeah.
Damn, me. Never
like
meet
a garden
heroes.
gnome. You get to meet your heroes.
Never meet your heroes. Although
but
I do
you
like
can meet your heroes at Subways. No, I wouldn't hear child molester free. They just need to put that up as a sign.
Yo, child molester free.
You know how they have the signs like how many days without accidents? How many days without like child molesters at Subway?
You know what I'm saying? Every company does that. Why hasn't somebody done that? Like Wells Fargo had that data breach, and then they come out with this whole line of commercials like, we have been in business since 1801. You know what I'm saying? Back when we were selling slaves. Please understand that we made some mistakes, but we are fixing to change them. Please remain our customers.
Everyone's doing the apology tour.
Hell yeah, bro. They biting
Facebook. Facebook
the
is advertising during NBA. Like Facebook, what are you advertising for? Either you're on it or you're not.
First of all,
everybody watching that shit like, you know what? I've been holding out for 9 years, but today's the day.
Today's the day.
Look, come on.
LeBron dropping 50. I'm going back on Facebook. Fuck it.
They're like, yo, you know, we fucked up. You know, they're like, you used to use this to like find out about births, bar mitzvahs, marriages. Yeah. Then we sold your information to Russians, and y'all got mad. We're sorry.
We're sorry.
I'm like, y'all didn't fix shit.
We're still gonna do it, but
I mean, we're just gonna
Come back, please.
We're just gonna like not tell you about it. Shit.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna find a little loophole.
Oh, Facebook. Facebook's evil, and you gotta use that to find out like when your ex had a baby and like how keep in track with your fucking relatives overseas. Otherwise, you get the dreaded phone call, the catch-up phone call.
All I do is go on Facebook
3 hours
and look at fucking how badly my high school graduate class is doing, and thank God that you know what I'm saying I didn't fall into those traps.
You avoid the streets. Nigga look at Hamilton about the Bronx. Young Mero, young Mero.
Avoiding the trap and the bando. Going to school and graduating.
You know what type of shit he's on. Get him off of East Tremont. East Tremont. East Tremont. Everyone's on roller skates and shit. We must get him to a better place. Yeah. Look at Mero. Look at him in the face. All I want to do is easy, stop cutting school and doing graffiti. The big chancleta comes down on stage. Like, and that's how the curtains come down and shit. Everyone's like,
yo, beautiful. Wow. Oh my God, this is incredible.
Lin-Manuel's in the back tight, like
damn, this nigga took my spot.
Damn, this nigga got it. Fuck.
And this nigga's actually Dominican.
Damn,
fuck, yo.
Fucked.
Shit, nigga.
Shit.
Then you see me on Sesame Street and shit cursing.
This nigga like really loud in the back. Love is love is love is love though.
Yo, remember
that?
Remember
the classics?
Remember I had the homie with the curly hair? He was playing Aaron Burr some shit. I don't know. It was
like, shh. Part 2 is opening.
Shush, quiet.
Fucking curtains opening. It was like, chop your face. You will chop your face. Look at him and Yesenia. You stupid! It's like, it shows like a building.
My nigga, how the
spotlight
fuck?
on a fire escape.
How you doing? Why the fuck, yo? How you got banned from Twitter, nigga? What the fuck? Yo, what you said? I'm not letting you up here. I love you.
Yesenia. Who plays Yesenia?
Cardi B. After she gives birth. Oh, pregnant. She's out here pregnant,
yeah.
rocking. Like,
with the Takashi hair, too.
Yo, she's doing it. On a regular.
Bitches pushing regular on the lamas. Contractions on the regular.
Yo.
Get dilated now.
I see this shit yesterday on Twitter, but I feel like it really holds true. Like, Takashi just proves like how badly we need to have Bobby Shmurda and Rowdy Rebel out on these streets. Because that's their lane.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's their lane. Like yo, I'ma clap everybody on the block. Yo, fuck y'all niggas, workout music. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
Takashi is just like, yo, man, like, I'm trying to lift these weights and shit, but then I remember that you look like Mexican Rainbow Bright, and I'm just like,
you know, why am I working out? A lot of rappers now, they be holding like guns and videos. He's like, yo, you can't fire that. Nigga,
she got the zip tie in and still like, yo, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Holding a scar? You 110 pounds. You gave the kickback from that will kill your mother.
You do a backflip, nigga, and kill your whole family.
Nigga, get the fuck out. They got come on. They got the heavy guns. Like even when you try to pick them on like video games, they be like, whoa. The guns are so heavy they make your character run slower.
Yeah, it's just a speed.
And now you gonna do a YouTube video with this shit? You on Instagram with that, my guy? All right,
fam.
Go ahead, put that drum round in there. Take your iron pill first, my nigga. You type anemic.
If you gotta open your gun like a lunchbox to put the bullets in, you're not shooting that shit. Okay. Come on, my nigga, stop it.
Your homie over here holding up the chains and shit. Nigga like, hurry up,
bro.
Hurry up, man.
Yo, this shit is hot, nigga. Chill. Ow. Yo, I got hit by this shell. Ow, this shit's mad hot. Nigga, I shot an M60. I had to lay on the ground to shoot that shit. So like, come on, man.
Niggas don't know about that cackback. So it's called the cackback. That's when you firing in the Midwest and shit. Watch out for the cackback.
Cackback, man.
I got the AK. Hey, watch out for the cackback. Oh, shout out to the Capitals. Got the Stanley Cup. They've won Lord Stanley Cup.
Finally.
You know?
Shout out to Alex Ovechkin. That motherfucker must have been crying down tears because they've been going out in the first and like second round for years, bro.
Yeah, I mean...
like for years.
But let's keep it funky. The Rangers have not held Lord Stanley Cup since 1994.
Yeah, that's true.
That very sad year where when Marc Messier brought the cup out during the Knicks finals.
Yep.
And everyone was like, it's our year. It's our year. Yeah. Knicks fans was like, and then that's back in the 90s when people wore suits to Knicks games.
Yes.
If you go back and look at all the photos, nobody has on jerseys. Everyone has on suits. Everyone was a stockbroker.
You know what I'm saying?
Everyone was coked up.
Yeah.
Everyone looked like they was about to go to Saturday Night Live after that shit.
Facts. Hakeem Olajuwon came through and said, no, my nigga.
No. No.
No, you niggas got about to lose this shit.
You about to lose so bad.
Yo, look at John Stocks. This nigga shoot 1 for 20 fucking million.
Look at Robert Ory. He got hurt game 1. He come back. He come back and hurt you. And they did.
I'm not mad though. You know what I'm saying? They had heart. You know that YouTube video, the mad emotional YouTube video about the 90s Knicks with the music.
I mean,
background
you know
and shit?
what? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. You gotta move on. Like I can't be mad. No, it's embarrassing at this point to be a Knicks fan and not like Knicks ain't even in the real like contention for playoffs.
Here's a hot take. Ready for this NBA hot take?
Here we go.
Paul George and LeBron James are gonna come to the Knicks and play with Kristaps Porzingis. They're both free agents. Paul George is dying to get out of the Lakers because they're trash.
Mm-hmm.
LeBron's dying to get out of Cleveland.
Mm-hmm.
Every press conference he does, like he gets more and more shady.
Yeah.
Like the last one that he did, he was like, they were like, how does it feel to have to, you know what I'm saying, carry this team and you know, blah blah blah. He's like, how much more carrying me you want me to do, motherfucker? Like, yo, like you see what the fuck I got, nigga? You see what I'm working with? Like, bruh, that's like if a nigga come to your crib to cop weed and all you got is like fucking Newport for guts. Like, you're like, yo, I'm working with Newport guts, my man. Like, you expect me to win a championship? Like, come on, B.
They're saying Paul George and LeBron are coming to the Knicks.
Mero predicts.
When?
In the offseason.
This upcoming offseason?
This upcoming offseason, LeBron is ghost. If they get swept, he's definitely ghost. If he comes,
I'll believe that.
If he comes back,
coming to the Knicks, him and Paul George,
because he's not going to Philly. He's not.
Why? Why do you? What makes you think he'd pick New York over Philly?
Because Philly just now had that whole messy shit with Brian Colangelo with the secret tweeting and his wife and the da-da-da-da. That's not LeBron conducive. And like all LeBron has to do as a Knick is like win the first round of the playoffs and he's got. Like niggas will be like, yo, you're the GOAT of all time. Like to New Yorkers. I'm not saying like overall in the NBA stratosphere.
As someone who has rings, don't you think he'd want more than that?
I mean, like, I think he could win a ring in New York. The East is trash. If he leaves the Cavs are trash. Boston is okay, but they got Gordon Hayward coming back. They got Kyrie Irving coming back. They got all these young niggas that got hype in the playoffs, did well. Now they're going to want minutes. That shit is going to implode because you got a bunch of 19-year-old niggas that all want the ball, and they're going to be like, yo, fam, why you not to Brad Stevens? Yo, this nigga Jaylen Brown's not giving me the ball, B. I'm about to snuff this thing in the locker room, B. It's not fucking playing. They're all kids. You're not kids, B, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like the argumentative and shit, the maturity level's not there. So he's not going to go there. You know what I'm saying? Because he don't want to mentor a bunch of fucking teenagers. It's not AAU. He's not a coach. Knicks is ready to go. KP's coming back. I know you see my man's on the K-Porzy Instagram. Flexing.
I have.
Pumping iron and shit, shooting jumpers and shit, doing all type of lateral movements and shit. That nigga's ready. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Can't wait. And Paul George is like, you know what I'm saying? Like, kind of like, he's like, slightly above average, you know what I'm saying? Like, and that's exactly what the niggas think, bro. You need LeBron, KP, and a dude that's slightly above average.
All
and it's not a J.R. Smith type of dude that's just gonna do bonehead shit all the time and just fuck up the whole flow.
Oh, JR.
Yeah.
J.R. Smith.
I love you, bro. You my guy, but like you be doing some wild shit on the court, man.
He got excited. You know what it's like? It was like when you got a dog. Like your dog gets so excited to see you and he pees in the fucking hall and shit. You're like, like you mad, but you like, damn, that's what he did. Like you're not getting J.R. Smith for like skillmanship. You're not getting J.R. Smith for like J.R. Smith is not a player on the chessboard that you're doing like 2 squares up and 1 to the left.
That nigga's just like 1 square up.
Nigga's like, boom, move like that.
Hit the corner, nigga. Hit the corner.
You know what I'm saying?
He could be a lot better, yo. Shout to him. Shout to Newark.
I mean, he could be a lot better, but a lot of people who are saying J.R. Smith could be a lot better could not. Like, J.R. Smith would lap you on a basketball court.
Absolutely.
That's my new thing. Now, I'm not, like, too hard on athletes because I'm like, I can't do what they do.
Yeah, no.
Like, niggas need to humble themselves. Like, people are like, oh, Stanton struck out. I'm like, nigga, you...
Can you even see it?
Like, Victor's hypothetical, what was it?
Full season, guaranteed spot, baseball. Worst team in the league.
Guaranteed roster spot.
Can't bench you.
4 at-bats, at least 4.
330 at-bats, and you guys saw CC say it. He said, you might run into one.
You might run into one.
Yeah.
4 at-bats a game.
Yeah, 4 at-bats a game.
4 at-bats
it's
a
a bad
game.
team, so more likely at bottom of the order, more than likely 3.
3.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You're batting 0-1, 0-11, but
so are we talking about a single? We talking about a double?
Little base knock, nothing crazy.
You know what?
A little
It
grounder?
would definitely be a single, but if you get an error in the outfield, you can stretch it to 2.
All right, I can see that.
I still got wheels. I still got wheels. All right.
Got you.
They can take it back to PlayStation. This guy's got super wheels.
I respect that.
You think he would steal a base?
That's the thing about baseball. It's all about the situation. There's a stat for everything. If they're not looking to pick off, hell yeah, I'm stealing that base.
You know?
Just to be a dick.
Don't underestimate how much they will disrespect you out there. I'm just getting fastballs right down the middle because I'm a strikeout every time. They're like, I'm not throwing in my break and shit. I'm not going to try to fuck up my elbow trying to get this fucking dingbat out of here.
Yeah.
You'll get one.
Straight meatballs. Yeah, they're going to serve up straight meatballs and you're going to hit one.
I'm getting no pickoff moves. It's gonna be nice.
It could work.
It's like when the pitcher comes to bat, the other pitcher's like, man, fuck this nigga, man.
So disrespectful.
You know what I'm saying? Like
They just throw it high heat and
shit.
they're just like whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. You can see it. Shout out to that CC. He's on the roof to shit.
Yo.
You trying to hit the ball out the fucking park. Niggas like, no, not on my watch. Because as a pitcher, you can't be getting like fucking getting rocked by
a walk-on.
another pitcher. Jesus Christ. Every video game is like, oh, he gave up a home run to the opposing pitcher.
Unbelievable.
Such disrespect.
Wow.
Yo, shout out to MLB Power Pros, which was the only baseball game to get weather right. Because like they have rain and the rain will start and stop. Every other video game doesn't do it right.
They don't do it?
Like it's either torrential downpours the whole game or light rain, and that should be fucking with your shit.
She was on point. Shout out
on
to
point.
MLB 99 for PlayStation 1, which is the only game that if somebody hits a home run, all you got to do is run to the wall and jump. And it'll be like, he robs the home run. And you see the ball is like 80,000 feet above the glove and shit. Like, what a catch. And you're like,
man.
fuck you, nigga. Shout out to Tito. You got into mad fisticuffs over that.
MLB Power Pros has a special, like you can have special character abilities, and one of them is called Spider. The fucking catcher can run up, and it's an actual ability some MLB players have. They can run up the wall and jump off the top of the wall to catch home runs. And in the game, Johnny Damon has it. Fam. Fam.
What?
I'm like, what the fuck?
Get out of here.
I almost broke my Wii controller over my knee. I was like, what?
Johnny Damon?
Johnny Damon.
Johnny Damon got an arm like a snake.
This is Johnny Damon. He's a big Trump supporter now. He's looking wild.
I could just hear him going,
You know what I'm saying? Like, ow, my rotator cuff. Whatever's left of it. Yo.
Oh,
Shout out
wow.
to Boston for bamboozling niggas and giving us their players when they're about to just like break down like a fucking old Honda.
I remember I was at Foley's and this girl was like, Johnny Damon looks like Chrissy Teigen. And I was like, what?
Yeah. Johnny Damon looks like one of them star tenders that'd be like, yo, I'm half Cherokee.
She's got Free Nation in the bio. Oh my God. I was so drunk though when that girl said that. I was just looking at her. I was like, wow.
Wow.
You want some other shit.
You drunker than me.
She was a Cardinals fan because I forgot like Foley's turns into a Cardinals bar and like Andy from Bravo be there and shit. And I always forget. It's like going to Target with a red shirt because you walk in and you have on a red shirt. Everyone's like, welcome to the Cardinals. Hey, squawk. I don't know what the fuck Cardinals is. But I'm Arrested Development out there. Like, have you ever seen a Cardinal? I'm like,
he's doing the chicken dance.
like, I don't know.
Yo.
What noise do Cardinals make?
Get out of here, nigger. That's their chant. Yo, low-key Cardinals fans are mad racist.
Not
man.
low-key.
Like
Not low-key. High-key. High-key.
Like, there were some Boston fans. I didn't think it was possible.
shouts to Tony La Russa, though. Literally got cited for DUI because he fell asleep in his car at a red light.
I mean,
we've all been there.
I mean, you know what, like
30 seconds.
You know those new cars that turn themselves off at the light to save energy? He just invented that.
Yeah.
He was like, yo,
in human format. Like, yo, I'm going to just save my energy before falling asleep right here.
Oh, my God.
I definitely fell asleep at the wheel of a car, like, at a red light. You know what I'm saying? And it was the Dave Chappelle show. When Dave Chappelle was doing Radio City, I went to go see that show with Heather, and I took way too many edibles, got in the car, we had the light, and she's just like, did you just fall asleep behind the wheel? I was like, nah. You know when you fall asleep and you try to front like you didn't fall asleep? Like, nah. My eyes hurt, yo. My eyes hurt. My contact. She's like, you're not wearing contacts. Not wearing contacts.
Why did she drive?
She was fucking wet. She was sauced. She hit that bar early, bro. She was just like, yo, I'm like pre-gaming in the car and shit. Got to the venue, started drinking. I was like, okay, this should be interesting. But shout out to Donnell Rollins because he fucking tore it down, bro. I forgot how funny he was.
That Rollins is that fucking falling asleep. I mean, like when the car shuts off at the light, Oof. The Ubers be doing that shit, man. You know, when the car turns off at the light to save energy?
The hybrid joints?
Yeah. You never heard that? And just like an electric car, and it's like, choo.
Yeah, no, they do. Yeah. It's scary.
The Range does it. The Range Rover.
It's scary at first because you being a nigga from the hood and always riding hoopties your entire life.
You think it's not going to turn back on.
Yeah. You're like, oh shit.
That's
You just hear the shit go, boom. You're like, oh shit.
And you're like, oh, you got to start it up again. But no, it just starts up
Nigga,
again.
the first time that shit happened to me was on those weird New Jersey highways that like are like turned into local streets out of nowhere. So I'm at a red light and the car goes, poof, and I was like, oh shit. I was like, oh, what the fuck, bro? I got out the car, started looking around and shit. Like, I got back in the car. I was like, oh, wait a minute. This is actually a new car. It's not from 2002, nigga, when One Tree Hill was on the air and shit.
Yeah. Yeah, the Tesla does that too. And then when you step on the brakes, it regenerates. Oh, shit. Man, but I can't support Tesla because Elon Musk is a wild dickhead. Damn.
What do you do now?
What happened?
No, he's always like, have you seen his Twitter feed and shit?
Besides him having a dumb name, what do you do?
Nah, he's always saying problematic shit. He basically was like bat signaling like Nazis, some shit. Because he said some shit about like, you know who runs the media in one of his tweets. And he puts it in quotes. Everyone was like, what the fuck? Like, yo, fam. But
Isn't he Jewish?
No, he's a white guy from South Africa.
What?
Yes, remember. He called someone a monkey and blocked him on Twitter. Like, yo, easy, Sarafina.
Fam, yo, stay off Twitter, nigga. Make your cars, make your rocket ships, make your time machines, and just shut the fuck up. Use your Twitter to be like, yo, I made a new time machine, and then get off Twitter.
Yeah, I don't trust people that lose their accents.
Yeah,
interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, me neither. Not at all. If you come here and you lose your accent, you fraudulent.
Yo, if my mom lost her accent, I don't think I could love her.
Yeah, same.
Like,
Same.
yo, you're not even the same person anymore.
Only thing I love is her
don't-
accent and my mother.
Like, what the fuck is wrong with you, man? If I'd say hi to my mom and she was like, hi, how are you? I'd be like, yo, what the fuck is going on here?
She turns into Cliff Paul from State Farm.
Yo, like, I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with you, B?
You know, some nationwide's on your side. She's like, oh, what's going on?
It's young mommy.
Welcome to AT&T Data Center. My name is Linda.
No, it's not, Dinesh.
Can I have your American ID, pal? They start teaching them Bronx English. Like, hello, my name is Matthew. B, what's poppin'? What's brackin'? Can I get your accent, my nigga?
Nigga got the laminated card right there with like the phrases on it and shit. Like, yo, my G, I see you are having technical problems with your jack.
Shout to East Tremont. What goes on, my nigga? How can I assist you with your optimum package, my nigga? Everything. It's like, oh, my computer. I need to reroute the router. I can't get a Wi-Fi signal. I can't see to go. All right, my nigga. What I'm going to need you to do is get your router and reboot it, my nigga. I'm like, why do you keep?
I bet I'm gonna do it right now. I bet.
Have you rerouted the router, my nigga?
Give me 1 second. I'm gonna do it.
My nigga, let me know when you are done rebooting your router, my nigga.
Just give me the turtles. I bet I got it. Now what?
What does it say on the screen, my nigga?
CF4E.
CF4E, my nigga? Are you sure, my nigga? My nigga, are you sure? Is that what it says on the screen, my nigga?
Yeah.
Nigga, hurry up, nigga.
Damn, my nigga, why you pressing me, bro?
Nigga, hurry up, you bitch-ass nigga.
Yo, this Nick game is in the third quarter.
Yo, my nigga, you the bitch-ass nigga that can't get the router to work. I'm in Africa and shit. And you over here, my nigga, you can't even get the shit work. Yo, man, I got master's degrees. I don't need this shit. Nigga, turn around. I don't need this shit, my nigga. My name is Punjab. I don't need this shit, nigga. I run Mumbai, my
You know
nigga.
what I'm saying?
I got like 4 technical degrees.
I'm a fucking doctor. I was a doctor back in India,
Nigga,
man. That niggas got me in this fucking call center.
I taught drones how to play one-on-one. Like, oh, shit.
Yo, that's the wild shit about coming to America, but you could be like a fucking brain neurosurgeon in like Argentina, Colombia, DR, Jamaica, Haiti, wherever. And then you come here and it's just like, all right, nigga, now you work at Popeyes.
It's like, yo, oh, surgeon? All right, here's a briefcase full of socks. Good luck. Like, just about 21st Street, like, yeah, FICO. He still got the stethoscope around his neck. Like, damn.
Nigga is a PhD selling umbrellas at Penn Station. Like, yo,
shit.
damn.
Oh, man.
Trying to tell you how to hold the umbrella, like, for the optimal, like, wind blockage and shit. Like, if you hold it at 43 degrees parallel to the wind gust, you can avoid rain and perspiration on your body.
We need to make, like, the fly fucking We gotta make this Red Bull studio more of a studio. We gotta make this shit more rock star. Start tagging on the walls.
Tagging on the walls?
Break glass on the floor.
Mad
We should make it like
positive.
ground round. You
Mad-
remember ground round? You had the peanuts and you just ground them on the floor and shit. Niggas just walking
Oh,
around.
man. They said
Yeah.
ground round. Damn. Throwback. Shut the Yonkers.
Shout to YO.
Why, yo?
Shout to Ponderosa Steakhouse.
Why, yo?
They still have those?
Shut the Ponderosa Steakhouse at Bay Plaza that is obviously not defunct, but their steaks was trash, B. Like them niggas I feel like they went to Pathmark and just got like the steak that was about to expire.
You mean to tell me? You mean to tell me you found the steak? The steak prepared at the strip mall. We could also buy Jordans or see the movie to be subpar.
I don't know what I was thinking.
That shit was called Ponderosa Steakhouse. It quotes.
Yeah,
They was like, we got steaks and we got a house. Those two things might not be in this building.
That shit, listen, man, they call that shit Ponderosa because you had to ponder whether or not you was gonna go in that bitch like and eat. Like, damn, I don't know.
Oh man,
Do I really want to fucking give myself a stomach virus?
the guy from Bonanza started it.
Oh shit!
All right,
Shout out to him.
shout out to them. It's no longer. It was who bought it
The
now?
wings was hitting though.
Oh, yeah, they went bankrupt. Can you believe it?
Damn. All those places went back. Does Sizzler still exist?
I believe.
Is
yeah, I think
Sizzler
I
still
see-
with us?
I think I saw Sizzler while we were like driving from somewhere.
Oh shit! In Queens?
It's
It's like the last Sizzler standing and shit.
At the
It's like,
Queen
y'all
Center
be-
Mall in Rego Park, baby.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's like
wow.
Queen Center Mall.
You thought Cheesecake Factory was gonna shut us down? Nah.
Wow, I got news for you. There are 270 Sizzlers still out there.
Oh shit!
Banging.
Word up, Sizzler
All right?
gang. We out here.
All right, with their headquarters in Mission Viejo, California.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm
Shout out to
saying?
Valley Joe.
Shout out to out there.
Ooh.
Shout out to CC's home place. You know what I'm saying? In 2000, more than 60 people became ill and one person died after an outbreak of E. coli that originated at Sizzler in Milwaukee.
Yo, Cece, yo, we gotta go to the fucking Sizzler in Valley Joe, man. They gonna fuck it up one time. Let's do it.
Sizzler.
Dare you to take your shirt off?
I'll do it.
You know why it's called Sizzler, right?
Cause the steaks, Sizzler,
Bro, it sizzles.
Sizzle,
And the two Z's are supposed to be like this.
Like little smoke coming up? Yeah.
Yeah, you see that corporate branding?
Look at that graphic design.
All right.
Yeah.
You know what it is? It's like how Red Lobster, you like, yeah, that shit is. That shit's gonna be great.
Yeah, because
That
they
shit's
got a
fresh.
lobster.
They fucking grilling that shit. And then you
Yeah.
got that shit in an industrial microwave, like, boop, 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 boop.
Got
their arm folded and
shit. Nigga, we got the butter dish shit is popping in the microwave and shit, like making a mess.
He's like, yo, new seafood.
Yo, shout out to Sizzle that used to be on East Tremont and Castle Hill. You will be missed.
Oh, yeah, over by the impound lot. My God.
By the
Yeah.
old DMV and shit.
Nigga, go get your car towed. This shit be tight and
Be
shit. Come
tight.
back like, yo,
Like,
I got
fuck it.
$100 for surf and turf or my Toyota. Which one do I need?
I used to go in there and my posse used to be like, yo, chill, just get the salad plate. Nigga, just get the salad plate.
Mm-hmm.
And just get the salad plate. And niggas will order 2 meals and all 5 of us would just go be at the buffet with the little tiny salad plate. Like, yo, mad wings, mad
Oh,
mad
man.
meatballs. Nigga, fuck y'all.
I remember my little sister dropped the plate. And you know, like usually you just like, because those plates are hard to break.
Yeah.
That shit did not break. That shit just made a mad noise and like rolled mad dramatically down in front of the store. Everyone's just looking at it. I'm like, why are the kids so wild?
Yeah.
My father looked at me like, y'all all getting beat. I was
Yeah.
like, damn, nigga. Let me enjoy this fucking blue cheese salad though. Mad
don't
croutons. Y'all can't stop me. Gazongo beans. I put what I want my salad. I'm wildin'. Niggas gotta pull me away from the salad bar and shit. I was like, I do what I want.
Nigga, I'm putting Swedish meatballs in my shit.
I was like, yo, cherry tomatoes, olives. I'm the king of the world. I don't give a fuck.
I'm putting soft serve ice cream in my shit.
Nigga just OD from croutons and shit. Like, nigga got hit me with the EpiPen.
Yo, and they had the soft serve ice cream machine that always worked.
It always worked, yeah.
was surprised.
So you go over there, mad sprinkle. You be like, a little rainbow sprinkles. You be like, you know what? Let me treat myself a little chocolate sprinkle.
You know what I mean? Little chocolate,
Little
little gummy
this,
bear.
little chunk of pineapple, some wheat germ. There's way too much. You can't even carry the shit back to the table and shit. You're like, You take one bite of it, you're like, this is garbage. You go back, you just throw it away and make a new one. The Sizzler is all about wasting food. That's about buffets.
Word.
Yeah.
Shout out to my grandma, rest in peace. I used to put chicken wings in her fucking purse and take them home.
We went to
She used to wrap them in a napkin. I swear to God, word to God, B. She used to wrap them shits in a napkin and put them in her purse like, bueno, yo me voy a llevar talita. Damn.
Oh man.
True Bronxites.
There's I think it's the biggest buffet in North America. Did that shit close down? It was a buffet in Virginia Beach. And it was like the buffet was actually almost the length of 2 city blocks.
What?
Yes.
How much food do you have to have
It had every type of seafood. But key point was they had crab legs. So that's why everyone went there, and you just OD'd on the crab legs. We went and we were staying like 5 of us in a room because my parents, you know what I'm saying? You know, we're Jamaican.
Yeah.
My mother lined her tote bag with foil. Fam, when I tell you we was eating crab legs for the rest of that vacation, she walked out of there like she had shoplifted books. It was like, let's go. Just fucking butter dripping out the shit. Just follow the butter trail to the car. She's like, well, stop the car, stop the car. Just hanging out through the window and shit.
Niggas think you in the James Bond car because there's oil coming out the back.
They trying to catch us and shit. Niggas sliding out of control. Shit turned to Spy Hunter. Drop the margarine, drop the margarine. My father hits the parquet button like,
I can't believe y'all didn't catch us.
they didn't get us. Yeah, some of those places, they check your bag when you're coming out of the buffet, as they should. As they should. There's one seafood buffet on 32nd Street in Manhattan. It's a sushi place. And if you go there and you I think it's $32 and you just waste mad sushi, they will charge you $32 again.
If you don't eat, if you
go there, and you just taking a nibble of this and nibble of that, and you just wait, you just going in there wasting the food. They'll be like, no.
Because homie that's sitting there rolling this shit by hand is looking at you like, you motherfucking.
They can take a bite I don't like this. Like, nah, no, go somewhere else with that.
You know how long it took me to fucking chop?
Because it's a regular restaurant for for people who like that cuisine. Don't come in there on some tourist shit. Like, oh my god,
I'm gonna try it.
So I think a lot of times people from other states will come in like, oh, what is this? So exotic. Oh,
is this like Panda Express?
I love this. I'll get the shumai tacos. Can I get the chicken biscuit California roll?
Do you guys have chicken fingers?
Are California rolls from Asia?
Nah, that's like fake sushi.
I know, that's a joke. California Mackie or Mackay. You know what I'm saying? It's popular in sushi in Canada and the United States.
Oh wow.
It's gentrified sushi.
Oh yeah, I know. I used to steal it from Food Emporiums to try to feel classy when I was at home.
Food Emporium.
That's for me, Food Emporium.
Yo, shout out to it's been a minute. It's been a while. Yo, shout out to everyone that came out to the pop-up shops, the various pop-up shops we've had. Shout out to Square Cash sponsoring them. Shout out to everyone that dropped and spit a hot verse. We're going to take the best lyrics that you dropped. We're going to press up a CD of them, and we're going to sell them, and you're not going to get any rights to it because you signed away your rights. Sorry.
You signed a waiver, stupid.
This is how NSYNC was found, so you know what I'm saying? You got to work with us. It's tearing up my heart when I drink Red Bull. It's all going to be corporate songs. Cash at my heart.
Yo.
Bitch, I'm Cash App. Yes, I'm Cash App. Who's the Cash App? Yes, I'm Cash App.
Yo. These bitches are my sons. I use Cash App on
Laura Bincroft. Bitch is Cash App. We gotta get Garrett doing that. Reenacting the video. Shout out to Garrett. Oh, man. Shout out to Square Cash.
Yo.
Shout out to all you people out there who are just catching up on the podcast, and you're like, hey, I need such and such for Bodega Bucks. I'm like, yo, fam.
You missed that train, bro.
You way behind, man.
You missed that train,
bro. You talking about Breaking Bad season 2 at this point.
Yeah, nah.
fam. Like, you just get to the nursing home scenes. Like, niggas done moved on.
Listen, man. Go ahead, wait for that shit, nigga. You're going to be waiting for Godot.
I'm sorry, I wish we could help you. We can't. We're moving on to bigger and better things. So our new thing now is Bodega Space Dreams.
Yo.
So what we're going to do, we're picking one Bodega Hive member, and we're sending you to the moon.
Yeah.
Well, you have to plant the Bodega Hive flag, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
You also have to take 2 pictures for social media and 3 tweets. It's contractually obligated. We're only going to give you $1,000. You're responsible for your airfare to and from the moon.
That's right.
But we get a free shirt.
You get a free shirt.
I'm saying.
So
you know what I'm saying?
Merch, you know what I'm
Just retweet yourself, Bodega Space Dreams, and say, yes, I want to go to the moon. I have nothing to live for. We also, Cash App told me to tell you this, we cannot guarantee you're coming back.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Because the way that you're going to get there is that I'm just going to smoke a blunt of angel dust and just punch you in your chest mad hard until you exit the stratosphere and land on the moon.
They're going to send them on a megabus to the moon. You going to go by the Jacob Javits Center waiting for the bus. It's going to be like, what's going to Philly? What's going to Connecticut? Another one has like a fucking alien with 3 tentacles and 4 faces. Smoking a fucking shorted Newport. Like,
yo.
Who the fuck going to the moon?
Which one of y'all niggas going to the moon?
Who going to the
yo?
moon? Nah, nigga,
Yo.
I'm the driver. I'm not picking up no luggage. Put that shit underneath the
Fuck
back.
out of here.
Yo.
There's a latch under there, nigga. Pull that shit, put your bag in
Yo,
there. Get the
welcome
fuck
to
outta
Mega
here.
Moon Bus. I'm taking a collection. We gotta get some nitro if we're gonna break the
what I'm
something
saying?
here. There's no Wi-Fi in this shit, and there's no bathroom and shit. So if you
know
want
what
like
I mean?
shit in a hat or whatever.
You know what I
Also, look at your neighbor. Your neighbor might look like a pile of disgusting thing, but they're also an alien life form. So play them in respect, whatever.
You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna be playing a lot of Little Pump for this ride. Please buckle up and don't die, my nigga.
Let's get it.
You want this nigga shooting up heroin on this fucking space moon? Like, how did I go to the fucking slums of the moon? You land and shit. There's mad homeless people.
Like, yo, what the fuck?
Mad homeless moon people and shit.
How'd y'all get here, nigga?
I guess everyone on the moon is homeless. You never see it like imagine. I think because the moon is always turning away from us, so we can't see the other side. There's like condos and shit.
Yeah.
They living in the shadows. They don't want to get discovered and shit.
Yeah, that's the Riverdale of the moon.
When niggas like astronauts come, they be like, shh, shh, shh.
Niggas
Niggas turn off their lights.
Oh yeah, turn the lights off. It's like my aunt with trick or treaters.
Astronauts are like, I think I see a condo. Copy NASA. I believe this is a 3-bedroom copy. And someone's in the back like, no, it's not.
I believe
That's the moon structure.
our radar is detecting a townhouse on the northwest quadrant of
Wrong.
Sector 5.
Niggas just got them under pressure. Like, get back on your ship. You ain't see
Yo,
shit.
stop playing, bro. Stop playing. I know you seen Arrival, my nigga. I will
Back on the plane.
I'm bringing.
Back on the plane, my nigga.
I know you seen Arrival, my nigga.
Back on the
I'm bringing
plane,
the
my
smoke.
nigga.
I'm bringing the smoke.
Yo.
Don't play with me.
Listen.
Listen, man.
One small step for man.
You know what I'm saying?
You want to take that next step, my nigga?
Huh?
All right. They say in space, no one can hear you scream.
Yeah.
I'll put this shit in your rectum. We've been studying you, nigga. Get back on the ship.
They gonna hear you, nigga.
Back
you better,
on the ship.
better
Tell
leave.
niggas all this shit was fake. Tell them it was a soundstage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a hoax, nigga.
That's why niggas, all the aliens were so shook. They was like, nah, that shit ain't happening.
Nah.
Niggas got, no, the fucking J Prince of the Moon ran up on them niggas.
He's like, hey, man, what the situation is that
Y'all gonna
we
stop
got a-
visiting up
We
here.
got a situation up here, and we don't need y'all. So what I'm gonna need you to do is never fucking come back here ever again in your motherfucking life. You understand me?
You know, I'm a praying man, but
Don't make me have to pray for you, brother.
everyone's just like, copy NASA. We're coming home.
Yeah, we're coming home. There's nothing up here.
Copy. Did you get the rock samples?
Yeah. We got the rock samples. We
Okay,
have to
but
fly
you're supposed to
down.
be up there for 2 weeks.
No. I have nothing to see here.
Why are the retro boosters starting up already?
No, because it's just dust up here and dust and moon rocks and
So
we
in the
got-
back's like, they're mad puss. Niggas got pressed on the moon.
Yo, niggas is blowing buns,
Yo, how you got pressed with no gravity?
Niggas jumping back high away from J Prince and shit. Like, yo,
Niggas did that space bounce
like, yo,
like,
chill.
yo.
Don't fuck me up.
Oh shit.
He's like, I will turn this car right back around, motherfucker.
He didn't even use a rocket to get there. And he just crossed his arms and jumped. He's just coming back and like burning up in the fucking atmosphere. And he's like, that's enough. And the atmosphere's like, all right, chill.
All right, chill. You go.
All right, my fault. You see all the fire go away and shit? Gravity just grabs him very gently and just, here you go, sir.
He's like, y'all better not land in the motherfucking ocean.
Oh, no. Hold them ticket the air while the earth rotates underneath. Like,
Yo.
oh, man.
Yeah, man.
So we headed to, it's so disconcerting because it's like we haven't gone to Chicago, but by the time y'all hear this, we back from Chicago.
Yeah.
Who knows what happened?
Who knows?
I'm going to go to Chicago and my main goal, I got to buy one of those, the dad shirts, like the dog.
Oh, the big dog?
The big dog shirts.
Big dog shirts?
Walk with the dog.
You got to be at least 400 pounds.
I love those.
Yeah.
You gotta be you have to have a MAGA hat, 400 pounds.
Yeah.
Like everything you say is a little racist.
Yeah. If you bought one of those, you could do that fucking like cliff diving shit.
Yeah.
Like, in that shirt.
They got one is like, this is the only internet I surf. And it's like, it shows like the inner webbing inside swim trunks. And I was like, yeah, nigga.
Yo.
Yeah.
Them shits only come in XXL.
That's like a good shirt you wear to your daughter's like graduation and
Hell
shit.
yeah, he's like, big dogs.
Big dogs. Put it on your gun rack.
You know what I'm saying? Run with the big dogs or stay on the porch.
Yeah. We need to make shit like that for like Latino families. Like, yo, stay with the perros. Or, I don't know. Set a barrel or don't.
Yo, if I send a barrel full of big dog shirts to DR niggas, send missions right back.
They're like,
Is our entire family
you
supposed
open
to
it
wear
back,
this?
like, what? Y'all niggas got the audacity to send it back?
What the fuck is this shit?
Like, send me more micro USBs. I'm like, no.
No.
What are y'all planning down there?
Yo, what are you doing, nigga? Why you asking me for cell phones? It used to be shoes. Now you want an iPhone?
It's like, yo, I need more True Religions. And yo, you got any uranium? I'm like, yo,
what?
Y'all still building bombs down there?
Bruh.
Niggas got the one goat bomb. I'm like, yeah, let's go. Niggas doing fucking X-Men experiments with goats. Putting adamantium and shit. It's gonna be fucking goat Deadpool.
Yo. You bite into that goat, nigga. That should be extra bony.
You try to buy into the goat, he do like wild Jason Bourne and shit.
Like, yo.
Man.
They kill you one hoof.
They cook you and you fighting and shit. You punching the shit out of him. Like he's hitting you hoof after hoof after hoof.
It's a female show to hit you with the udder. Like, nigga, hold that.
Oh, shit. Two goats fighting back to back. Yeah. Get them on.
Yeah.
See niggas running out the fucking kitchen with the machetes and shit. It's me. I got the wild cheesy dread wig and shit. It's like from Mark for Death. Get the goats.
Yeah, the goats.
It's like you hear that song from for the Prodigy, Breathe, like dong 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 dong. Fucking goat jumps off the wall. Breathe with me. I am the fire starter. It's like all the goats and shit.
Oh shit! Yo,
just mad. Like a goat and fucking, I got a sword and the goat keeps blocking it with his hooves.
With his horns and shit. And hooves, like,
he's looking at me like,
like
at the end of it, sticks his tongue out like,
you can never defeat my goat style. No.
Get that goat!
And it'd be the dude from Mark for Death, who's like the main character and shit. Like, niggas running a goat cartel.
He's got a wild think piece about the negative portrayal of goats in the movie. Every time we see goats, we see them either strung up and their nuts slit. They either see them strung up with their throat slit, or they're running drugs.
Yes.
What about the positive goats?
Like LeBron James.
What about him? Not enough time to show. Good father, good skin.
Yes, like that one.
First comment is, what about Kobe? Oh man, all of the goats. Yeah, a movie about about LeBron actually being a goat, like a kid's book series.
Oh shit, yeah.
The Goat family.
Yeah, the goats.
LeBron and the goats.
The James insane goats.
LeBron, Nanny, whatever the other three goats, whatever the kids.
Yeah, well, it's LeBron Jr. and I don't know the other ones.
Yeah, LeBrona, and LeBrono.
LeBron.
Shout out to him not like naming all his kids the same thing. Like it's like all your kids same name, same first letter. But if you was like all the same
George
name,
Foreman shit.
That George Foreman shit.
Oh man.
You know what? It's not even
how you name your daughter George, my nigga? Like
yeah.
Why'd you do that, though?
Hey George, you like that Dak? Imagine she gets like the tramp stamp of her name. It was like, you want that? You're like, oh, you nasty bitch. You like the Jeffersons? Yeah. Oh, who's moving on up now?
Oh,
huh? So you on the east side?
You want me to hit the west side?
Nigga,
hold up.
Nigga, I'm in that deluxe apartment in the sky.
Oh, shit.
Shout out to all the shows in the 70s that was finessing people because they'd write a theme song and niggas get that money. They'd be like, yo, there's a second song? They'd be like, nah, I'm just hum the end. Niggas be like, I know niggas sitting in the excuse me.
Yeah.
There's no words here?
No.
Y'all niggas just gonna
one day at a time. No.
I'm like, yep. Y'all niggas charge $18,000 for a professional Hummer? What the fuck?
What the fuck is this? Those are the days.
Niggas gonna get the yodeling kid. Yodeling. I'm gonna use him for my racist sitcom.
Yeah. Oh man, that's making $1 million.
I'm roommates with like a person in the KKK. Shit's whimsical.
Yeah.
I'm like trying to the opening credits. I'm trying to put a sheet on my bed. It turns out to be like his KKK robe.
You're like, oh shit.
And I'm like, oh shit. And he comes in the room like,
Jesus, that's my robe.
It's OKKK.
Get a little scrappy through the theme song and shit.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. I come in from shopping. He's like, did you get all? He's like, I'm like, I got all the fire you wanted. He's like, that's not firewood. I'm like, come on. I was like, this laugh track just goes like.
He's like, did you get the ham? Yeah, I got the Black Forest. You got the Black Forest ham?
What? It was on sale.
I wanted the Virginia ham.
Man. Agree to disagree. I'm Van Jones. Oh, man.
No.
Oh, he's like, you still giving me that ride to the cross burning? I was like, you know it, pal.
Yo, shout out to Van Jones. What did he do? Did he do another chancleta move?
He's doing the most. He basically, I mean, he was saying that he was giving Kim K a little too much credit for the pardon. Like, let's relax.
Yeah,
let's relax.
Sure.
It's very sad that now you have to use the power of celebrity to get any kind of political thing done because our government is now a reality show.
Yeah.
It's sad.
It's fucking terrible.
We have a government run by clout. It's
Damn,
disgusting. It's disgusting.
I have more clout than you. Look at all the likes. That nigga put that shit on Instagram. Probably was like, look at all my likes. I'm getting mad likes. Likes are blown up.
He's President Takashi.
Yo, he really
That's all he is. Like, he got the sticky now. He does everything he does is like to go viral.
Oh,
everything.
Man.
He's talking about he's going to pardon Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali's already been pardoned.
Like,
he's just obsessed with pardon. It's like when you find out how to build shit in Fortnite, you just keep building shit.
Yeah.
And you already built the tower, but you're like, yo, let me change this.
Yo.
Let me get a little more descriptive here. Let me put some spice here.
Why do you just keep building an infinity ramp into the sky? Like, what are you doing?
Oh,
man.
It's disgusting.
Shout out to Fortnite. That shit is still an epidemic. I mean, you know what I'm saying?
It made something like 30 mil last month or something.
That's wild.
In-app purchases, baby.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Until you get the fucking phone call.
Mm-hmm. From who?
From fucking Bank of America. Like, hey, there's been some suspicious activity.
Not 30 mil. 300 mil in a month of April. In-app activities.
Damn, bro.
Because kids will spend money because they don't know what it means. And to them, it's just numbers and it's not real.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not going to lie. I did buy the Black Boy dance when it came out. I bought that tier.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
No, I don't spend money on video games. My whole thing is, if I paid for the video game, that's me spending money on a game. I'm not going to continue to pay for it. You know what I'm saying? That's like you go get a massage and I'm like, yo, pay $5, take off your boxes. $10 for the happy ending, $25 for the knuckle in the butt. Hey, I put my chin on your gunch. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I lick the back of your kneecaps. I call you Nancy. You know, I mean, like, you know what happens to the bliss star stays in the bliss spot.
Little GFE, you know what I'm saying?
They're like Mr. Desus. Would you like to? You want your usual pair of panties? I'm like, shh, lower your voice. What I do after the live show is what I do after the live show.
Before the
I sign up for the Marv Albert.
Before the video game army attacks you. Fortnite is free to download, and then you got to buy all the other shit.
My nigga, I told you about Fortnite. How are you explaining it to me?
What?
Remember? I was telling you about Fortnite, about the downloading and all this shit. How are you telling me?
Oh.
I know about. I don't pay for Fortnite. No,
okay.
I refuse. I refuse. I don't pay for video games.
I was about to say. I thought you said like I paid to download the shit. I was like, nah. I was like, how the fuck did you?
Get the fuck out of here! Fuck out of here, nigga! I don't pay for shit. Paying for Fortnite. Before I pay for Fortnite, I will go buy a real gun and real concrete supplies and run around the Bronx building towers in front of niggas' houses and shit and shooting at people. Okay? Have a fun 3 minutes. And they'll be like, yo, what's he doing? He's playing Fortnite.
You just killed everybody in the block.
I'm like, fuck you cops. When I build this tower, I'm like, 1, 2,
3.
All right.
It's still blue, but I can still climb it.
Got the big fucking wood saw.
Yo,
you know what they say? Measure twice, cut once. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. I'm going to need a 4x4 by this. Time out, guys. Can I get a ride to Home Depot? I need who has a pickup truck?
Yeah.
I'm going to need about 6 more 7x4s and some carpenter wrenches.
Yo, this is real life, nigga. You're not in the game. It's real life.
Yeah. Okay. Wow.
This is real life.
Wow. Okay. I'm gonna need some. Can I fill out some licensing forms to build? There's air rights.
You don't got permits for this.
Okay,
man.
hold on. I gotta go to a community board meeting and find out. You can't just be building willy nilly.
Yeah,
you gotta ask the homeowners association.
Fortnite
That's what they
life.
need. If they have Fortnite and there's real life, and like you landed in a gated community and you tried to build in a homeowners corporation, comes like, whoa, what are you doing? Kick down your tower, take you to court.
You know what I'm saying?
Sad.
Seinfeld's pops comes in and is like, yo, I'm upset with all of this. You know what I'm saying?
Enough is enough. You gotta leave the homeowners association. So sad. So sad today.
Yo, shut the book over, Tom.
You know what I'm saying?
For no reason.
Niggas don't die, they just retire there.
You know what I'm saying? What's the median age in Boca Raton? 85?
Probably.
I'm just saying that because I just saw an episode of Sopranos last night where Junior went down to Boca Raton with his side piece, with his guma. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And he was like, basically she was like, yo, you eat pussy mad good. Like, he's like, yo, don't ever tell anybody that. You know what I'm saying? And she was like, why? Why would I not tell people that you eat my box and it's popping? He's like, because they think, you know, if you put your mouth there, you put your mouth on anything. You know what I'm saying? I was like, bro, like that's wild backwards? Like, how does eating pussy make you?
I mean, they pee from there.
You know
Keep it funky. You know what I'm saying?
I like looking at the
You don't
pee hole.
want to put your tongue upon the slit.
You know what I'm saying?
That's how you get a paper cut on the bottom of your tongue.
You know
Very
what I'm saying?
painful. Ow!
I enjoy.
Can't drink lemonade for 3 days.
Yeah,
You want that?
Lick the pee hole, B. Stop playing. Get that little soy sauce in before you go in. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You don't want that.
Yeah.
You don't want that.
I'm in there for all of it, B.
Put a little gunga pea in there. Make it spicy for her.
You know what I'm saying? Put a little Goya hot sauce. You know what I mean? Enjoy that, ma.
I mean, you know, if you want that UTI, that shit will ruin a tropical vacation very quick. You nasty. You put a crab leg in me.
Yo, you fucking disgusting asshole.
Disgusting. Nobody wants that.
Yo, that's why I bought this 2-gallon jug of cranberry juice, man. Start chugging. We gotta hit the beach, yo. It's open bar, niggas, all inclusive. That means we get free drinks, top, bottom shelf all day. Holla. Vodka's in a plastic bottle.
Drinking Georgie.
You know what I'm saying? The blue
Shit's
shit.
disgusting.
Remember when Georgie came out with the blue Georgie? And then they thought it was going to be like a hit. And it was just like, bro, like, this is Windex, nigga. Niggas put Windex in a bottle.
Niggas that drink Georgie don't care about color. They don't see color no more. If you drink Georgie long enough, you're not seeing color. You're not feeling nothing. You don't need to bathe.
Yeah.
You just wake up and you pass out by the Yankee Tavern every day. Like, fuck this. Nigga, you live by Yankee Stadium, you don't even know about baseball. You just dirty as shit.
Yeah.
Nigga tastes like the subway platform. Niggas think you black, but you just dirty and white.
Yeah, I need some more than that.
I used to go to Fieldston, like 90 more, nigga.
I'm thirsty.
Now you live behind a tombstone in Woodlawn.
The old Georgie
scary.
ads used to actually be just the word Georgie with a picture of a butt next to it. And I was like, oh, that's very appropriate because Georgie tastes like ass.
Tastes like ass.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, you know, God's working on all of us. Sometimes you can't afford the best liquor. You gotta get the next best thing.
You know what I'm saying? The shit that'll
So,
burn your guts.
You know, a little, you know, that
Shout out
little
to my
nasty-
Georgie drinkers, nigga. Boy, I done down gallons of Georgie in my lifetime, man. And Alexi, Popov vodka. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Wild Irish Rose. Shout out to Wild Turkey.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to fucking Paul Masson. $3 pint. You know what I'm saying? Should get you right.
You gotta do what you gotta do. Sometimes you gotta drink some stuff you don't want to admit to drinking.
Yo.
Oh,
E&J.
man.
E&J was my entire childhood.
Oh man.
Shout out to all my E&J drinkers. If you never sat in a park in New York City and drank a bottle of E&J and smoked a blunt to the face, you're not really New York. You know what I'm saying?
EJ, yeah. I remember my father was like, E&J's for cheap blacks. So I was like, all right, well, that's a hot take. That's a hot take. Jesus Senior. All right, well.
Shout out to your boss being like for cheap blacks.
I was like, all right, go. Shout out to you. That's why you will not be getting thanked in my Hall of Fame induction ceremony. It's been episode 113, MS 113. They're animals, throw them out.
Yeah.
Did anyone get his license plate?
They're garbage.
Yo, it's been your boy, Desus Nice, aka Desus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Fat Material, aka Chris Staples, Sling, Eli Lippy, Butcher Billy Guzzly, Slow It Down, I Know You Bitch, Young High Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nandos with Rondo, Mio Nova Zeta de Veta Quattro in New York, Mikel going off the Juve boss, MC Local Gungo P, putting up for 40 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in Uber Pool, I Don't Know You, the original plus one guy, plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. These are Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakuni without the Coonery, aka Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Lo-K, Vice K. Mazuzaka, Three Phone Jones, Jesus F. Machina, J. Chuck, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bond, Sleeper, Dilute,
Goddamn.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blanc. DJ Woolite, and hear us in the Washed FM. Up next, we have 10 hours of Fallout Boy, because why? This ain't a scene, it's a
arms race.
Yeah. The Curry Gold, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Ashburn.
Shout out to P. West for being black.
Hey. People didn't know.
Yeah.
We've exposed him. Exposed him. Hell, we're coming for you next. Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain.
No.
Put the Tupperware away. You can't get me. Sorry. The lid's not going to match it anyway, so how you feel? Human Meme, Word to Jal, Young Aaron, the Resist Provocateur, Hedrick Budcross, Nelson Bankdella. Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, The Human World is Melting in Your Mouth, Mr. Bex, Ricky Chicky, Squad, Greg Popovich, Morrissey, Richard Chestnut, Maganbi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, Norma Cup of News, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Over Casanova, William A. Cent, 5, 10, $10. Forget the small change. Give me
one.
Big money one. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. I'm taking a knee on it now. Mr. Saga, catch me a square one, top left. Man, just Marv. Give me a
Cheese me,
macaroni
bro.
pie. You know
Come
what it
on,
is.
bro.
True risotto. Holy cow. Catch
Whoa.
me at the money store. Mr. South Palm, so I'll do is count checks and jerk off.
Yeah.
We got OJ, purple stuff soda. And what's that in the back? Oh, it's
what
me,
up?
Sunny D. Hey. David, you're man. That's right. I wear very expensive jewelry that white people put on. You're like, why would you pay so much for that? It's just like leather on your wrist, but you know, it's whatever. These expensive. These red bottles. I need shoes. Yeah. Smokeem Noah. I dyed my beard blonde so I could get more effects of the THC when I smoke it in the off season. Andrew Coonanen, aka Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, Papa Challenger.
Sit down upon it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze, and I'll let your dog pee in the aisle because I have like these little posty things you can clean it up because it happens. It happens. Don't feel bad. All dogs do it.
Hey man, they got hand sanitizer too.
Mr. Chopping that street, easy bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe in the black Asian addict who'll crack your back like an automatic crap addict. Mr. La Marina Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka your problematic babe.
Yeah, episode 113 is you pieces of garbage. You're welcome for this free fucking art, you pieces of fucking human garbage flesh. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Durant Flap, aka Curve Rowdy, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? AKA skirt load, I'll hop the curb, hit your dog, nigga, keep it moving. I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? And I flipped the plates around this time. AKA I no fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. Look at my dad. AKA check the guest list again, nigga. I'm on it right there, right next to Takashi 69. And if you don't let me in there, nigga, I'm coming through with the blicky with the stiffy, You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Dad Bathia, AKA I learned what the fuck Splatoon is and how to play it. Just cause I'm the motherfucking dad of the year, aka Ben Smack Me on boy, aka Dick in your baby talking about, you know, come with this pussy, no more this pussy belong to me, motherfucker. AKA Bartles antenna so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the hoopty. AKA the Dominican Donzala, Dykeman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? By the time this comes out, it will have already passed, but Hasan's fucking inauguration into another uterus exodus will have been a Zuvi, in the words of DJ Camilo. Unwalkable. AKA swipe my card again, there's definitely money on it, you know what I'm saying? There's put the plastic bag on it, you know what I'm saying? Type the number into the fucking register, nigga. You embarrassing us both. Stop playing games with me. AKA Romeo Santos. So Sandy, let me black out. AKA lighten up that shit. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broken, say got five. You know what I'm saying? With the B-side of Endless Blunt. Endless blunts. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls inflated. AKA feel the ass sights and I want to explode your cosmos, ma. Especially the Milky Way. If you know what I mean. That shit that be stuck to your panties when you take them shits off and you horny. You know what I'm saying? AKA Friday Night Messi, MVP of Gelato, AKA Zenio Benefield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. But then when you know what I'm saying? But that's after you go to Locksmith, nigga, and eat the fried pickles. But nigga, highly recommended. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Barton. My hands are gifted. I will replace your head with half a pound of chewed up gum. Now you're a bubblehead, you turkey. Candy, what the fuck was that? I said write my AKAs and this is the bullshit you come up with? This filth? Go fucking back in the kitchen and cook up, whip on them yams with your titties out. Stop playing with me. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet because you know who it is. It's the Zen Man! AKA Rico Sabrosa, AKA Baby Newport, AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down, AKA live from Little Caesars on Fordham Road, celebrating our new lunch special. It's the East Tremont CVB. I wanna be the one your TT is fucking.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying? AKA from across the pond, mate. You know what I'm saying? I'm a rock star. Yeah. I'm riding on the top of a cop car. You know what I'm saying? It's the plantains you've been over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a star tender that really thinks I'm rich. I'm not rich. I'm house broke. You know what I'm saying? If you see me at fucking Target eating seasonal Oreos that I have no intention of purchasing, look straight ahead, nigga. Do not make eye contact with me. Approach me like an ursine mammal. I may react erratically, and my kids is big enough to fuck you up now. You know what I'm saying? So stop playing games with me. You know what I mean? I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off of Woodlight and Shaq Soda, talking about, hey, free the homie, little tight. You know what I'm saying? Hasan! Dime la pinta, coño, ¿qué fue? Dime a ver, pariguayazo. Llegó el ejército FIFA, coño, el Lebron James del equipo. ¿Qué más tú quieres que yo haga? Yo le meto mano a Louis Vuitton como tú le metes mano a TJ Maxx. Estamos en pinta europea, pero la chapa de la chapi son Make in Dominican. ¡Ja, ja! Llega la pinta, vaina distinta. Palomo, quítese del lado
Y dame mi banda obligado. Episode 113, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I will not be on Tech this weekend, but my spirit will be.
Hey, shout out to everybody.
You know what I'm saying?
Let's do this up Monday. We'll be back maybe this week, maybe not. You know what I'm saying? It's a risk. It's the risk of roulette. It's
you know what I'm saying?
Bodega roulette. You never know.
I know
maybe
we told y'all
maybe
early.
You don't.
I know we told you early on we wouldn't put you at risk, but you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to raw dog it.
Hey. And I know we out.
Holla.